Nowadays, more and more people are shifting to intermittent fasting for weight loss, but do you know that it is beneficial for our brain too? But what is intermittent fasting? Basically, it is abstinence from consumption of food and beverages for a period of 12 to 36 hours. There are three categories of intermittent fasting. First, whole day fasting, which includes 1 to 2 non-consecutive days of complete fasting in a week. Second, alternate day fasting, which consists of alternate feeding and fasting days. Third, time-restricted feeding, which includes daily fasting period of 12 to 20 hours, followed by 4 to 12 hours of feeding window. Now, let us look at 5 ways by which intermittent fasting benefits human brain. First, intermittent fasting produces ketone bodies, like acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone. These ketones are efficient energy source for neurons in our brain. Beta-hydroxybutyrate also induces expression of brain-derived neurotrophic factor. These factors are essential for survival, development, function, viability, and synaptic plasticity of neurons in the brain. Second, we all know about the hormone insulin and its role in regulating blood sugar levels. But insulin and insulin-like growth factors also regulate neuronal survival, energy metabolism, and synaptic plasticity, which are important for learning and memory. When we consume high-energy food, there is excess of glucose in the bloodstream, which results in high production of insulin called hyperinsulinemia. This hyperinsulinemia and insulin resistance syndrome then cause reduction in the transport of insulin to the brain. But do you know that intermittent fasting significantly reduces fasting insulin and insulin resistance? Third, all living cells have an intracellular degradation process called autophagy that clears misfolded proteins and damaged organelles. Intermittent fasting leads to the initiation of autophagy process and benefits neuronal health. Fourth, any injury, infection or aging in the brain results in the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, called neuroinflammation. This causes neuronal death. But fasting represses inflammation in the brain and regulates synaptic plasticity of neurons. Fifth, fasting also regulates hormones like leptin, adiponectin, and ghrelin, that affects synaptic plasticity, and reduces inflammation in the brain. Therefore, intermittent fasting is not only beneficial for weight loss but also improves brain health and supercharges human brain.